A warm good morning to all of you. I, Dr. Robin Chopra, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiotherapy at RPIIT Institute of Medical Sciences, Village Bastada, Karnal. I welcome you all in our YouTube channel that is RPIIT Academics. But before watching, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell icon. So let's start the topic. So today's topic is the changes during the muscular contraction. So we are continuing our topic, that is the changes taking place during the muscular contraction. So we are continuing our topic, that is the molecular basis of the muscle contraction, and in this session we will discuss about the sliding mechanism or the sliding filament theory, which is also known as the ratchet theory or the walk along theory. So the actin filaments of the opposite sides overlap and form this actomyosin complex, and after the formation of the actomyosin complex it results in the contraction of the muscle, and when the muscle shortens further the actin filaments from the opposite ends of the sarcomere approaches to each other, and the H zones becomes narrow and two Z lines come closer, and there is a reduction in the length of the sarcomere unit. However, the length of the A band is not altered, but the length of the I band decreases. And when the muscle contracts, it becomes severe. The actin filaments from the opposite ends overlap and the H zone disappears. A detailed theory about the events which are occurring during the sliding mechanisms are represented in the flowchart diagram. So starting from the first, there is a release of the large amount of the calcium ions from the cisternae of the L tubules, which is presented in the sarcotubular system, which helps in the binding of the calcium ions with the troponin, and ultimately there is a change in the position of the troponin, and after that there is a pulling of the tropomyosin molecules away from the F actin, and after that there is a exposure of the active sites of the F actin, and later on which causes the attachment of the myosin head to the actin site. So guys, hope so you all understand very well, and for more information please stay tuned, stay healthy, happy. Till then take care, goodbye, farewell, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon. So till then take care.